Finding the right drawing tablet can significantly boost your creativity. Whether you're a professional artist or just getting started, the market is full of top-tier tablets offering high-resolution displays, precise styluses, and responsive touch controls, making digital art more intuitive than ever. From compact options to professional-grade devices, these tablets provide everything you need to create stunning artwork. Whether you're looking for portability, exceptional color accuracy, or advanced drawing features, there's a tablet that fits your style. In this video, we'll explore the top 6 best drawing tablets, highlighting the unique features and capabilities of each, so you can find the best option for your creative needs. Number 1. Wacom Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Intuos Small Bluetooth Graphics Drawing Tablet is a versatile tool for teachers, students, and creators looking to enhance their digital creativity. With its compact, portable design, it's easy to carry wherever you go, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless pairing with Chromebooks, Mac OS, Android, and Windows, giving you the flexibility to use it across multiple devices. The tablet features 4 customizable express keys, providing quick access to your most used tools, saving you time and increasing efficiency. Its highly responsive pen ensures precise and fluid drawing, whether you're sketching, designing, or taking notes. The pistachio color adds a vibrant touch, blending both style and functionality. Number 2. Simbans Drawing Tablet. The Picasso Tab X Drawing Tablet is the perfect tool for beginner digital graphic artists. This standalone tablet doesn't require a computer, allowing you to create right out of the box. With its 10-inch screen, it offers ample space for drawing, sketching, and designing. It comes equipped with drawing apps and tutorials, making it easy to get started. Whether you're new to digital art or looking to improve your skills, the stylus pen provides precision, while the 4 bonus items give you everything you need to jump into your creative process. Its portable design ensures you can take your art on the go, making it the perfect gift for anyone looking to explore digital art. Number 3. XP Pen Drawing Tablet. The XP Pen G430 SOSU drawing tablet is designed for gamers, digital artists, and educators who need precision and portability. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, the battery-free stylus offers smooth, responsive control for accurate drawing or gaming movements. The 4x3-inch ultra-thin tablet is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for those on the go. Whether you're playing the popular OSU game, creating artwork, or teaching online, this tablet is compatible with both Windows and Mac, ensuring seamless integration with a wide range of software. The sleek black design adds a professional touch, while its compact size makes it easy to use anywhere, providing exceptional performance for any task. Number 4. XOPPOX Drawing Tablet. The XOPPOX Graphics Drawing Tablet is an excellent choice for artists, designers, and online educators. Featuring a large 10x6-inch active area, it provides plenty of space for detailed artwork and designs. The 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity in the battery-free pen ensure precise, responsive control, making it ideal for painting, design, and other creative tasks. Equipped with 12 customizable hotkeys, this tablet allows you to streamline your workflow and access your most used tools quickly. Compatible with PC, Mac, and Android OS, it's versatile and works with a wide range of programs. The sleek black design adds a professional look, making it a great option for both personal and professional use. Number 5. Huion Drawing Tablet. The Huion Inspiroi H640p drawing tablet is a great tool for digital artists, writers, and educators. With a 6x4-inch active area, it provides a compact yet effective workspace for drawing, writing, and design. The battery-free stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring smooth, precise control for all your creative projects. Equipped with 6 customizable hotkeys, this tablet allows you to access your most used functions with ease, streamlining your workflow. It is compatible with Mac, PC, and mobile devices, giving you flexibility across multiple platforms, whether you're teaching, creating art, or working on designs. The Huion Inspiroi H640p is the perfect tool for your digital needs, all wrapped in a sleek, portable design. Number 6. Artisul Drawing Tablet. The Artisul SP1603 15.6-inch graphics drawing tablet offers an immersive drawing experience with its full laminated screen that minimizes parallax and enhances precision. Featuring 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, the drawing pen provides smooth, responsive control for both detailed artwork and creative sketches. With a 128% sRGB color gamut, the 15.6-inch display ensures vibrant and accurate colors, making it perfect for professional design and digital art projects. This tablet is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android, offering versatility across different platforms. Whether you're a professional artist, graphic designer, or hobbyist, the Artisul SP1603 delivers exceptional performance with its high-quality build and precise capabilities. It's the ideal tool for all your creative needs.